Puilano norokno welcome. Ang tini norokno person no tui saikhnari nai. Basic English grammar. Person. Person no hino borok. Person three type. First person, second person, third person. Aboni bisingo nuikhe khakjago singular plural. Phaji sung tabuk nailainai first person singular o tam tong I, ang, mai, ani, hayakhe ang, me, ang, mine, ang, hayakhe ano, myself, ani bagui. Plural we, जों, us, sini, our, sini, ours, sini rok, ourself, sini bagui. Okay? Second person, singular, you, nung, your, norok. Plural, your, norokni. Yourself, norok no. Next, third person, singular, he, male, he is male, bo, sela. Ora bo no hinjago sela no, she, female, she is female, bo, brui. Ora bo no hinjago brui no, it, obo, eats, obono, itself, sachung, him, bono, his, bo, her, female, her is female, bo, brui. Ora bono hinjago brui no, hers, bono, herself, bo sachung, plural, they, borok, them, bongni, their, borokni, themselves, borokni bagui. Okay? Hambai norokno ani video no naima bagui. Norok ani video no chajakhe like, share, comment khadi. Ang nong ni bagui tebo video kotal tunai. Norok naina musungkhe ani channel no subscribe khadi.